Hi guys, this is dwblank the computer guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a faulty power supply. Now this is my Intel Pentium 2 computer. It is currently running Windows 98. And while trying to upgrade it to Windows XP, I blew the power supply. Now, before you replace a power supply, you first got to remove all your ribbon cables if your computer has them. Oh, come on. Otherwise, they will be in the way and you will not be able to do anything. So I'm going to remove this ribbon cable from everything it is plugged into. Then I'm going to remove the next one from the hard drive and remove that from down here. Now that your ribbon cables are gone, the only wires that should be running around is wires going to the power supply and perhaps an audio cable if you have that, and I'm just going to pull that out. And your fans, your CPU cooler's plug right there. We're going to leave that one alone. Okay, to start with, we're going to remove the plug from the motherboard so that any juice of power doesn't shock us when we remove it from everything else. Then we're going to remove it from all your accessories. We've got the floppy drive, the hard drive, and a CD-ROM. There we go. Okay. Now, I've already removed the screws from the power supply, so we won't have to do that today. You're just going to push it out and pull it all the way out, either up or through, depending on your computer. Now this one's blown out. I'm going to sit that aside over there. And gotcha. There we go. New power supply. Now you'll notice it is exactly the same. You're probably thinking, he's just bluffing it. But nope, this is a new one. It is exactly the same. It is used. I hope it works. But I got it exactly the same because if you don't have the exact same one and in a computer this old, you won't find another one the right size or the right model. So, to start with, we're going to run our cables back through the hole. And these are all tangled up in a mess. I swear, sometimes these new cables. Anyhow, I'm just going to put this back in here like so. Then we're going to turn it around here and start plugging cables back in. Let me get these cables all through. Alright, start with, we're going to feed one of our cables back up here. Usually you want the one that says PB on it. You're going to run it up to your CD-ROM. And let's see if I can get it in there facing the right way. Nope, turn it over. And got that back in. Now, down here, we've got the hard drive. We're going to plug that back in right here. And there we go. And then we've got the floppy. That is the only one that we're going to plug in that's different. It usually says PE on it, but it could say something else, depending on your power supply. There we go. And now for our heart cable, or that's what it's sometimes called. This is the cable that goes into the motherboard down here. Just gonna plug that in like so. Clear any wires from the CPU fan. Make sure that's clear and free to run without running into anything. And then you're going to plug your ribbon cables back in. Start with the messiest first. You're going to plug it in down here where it belongs, like so. And then you're going to start feeding it up until you get it to where it needs to go. This one's going to my CD-ROM. All the way up. Oh, come on. What in the blue blazes? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Going to turn it around here. And just plug that back in. Like so. I'm sorry, the camera's getting a little shaky. I'm just going to sit this down right there while I plug that back in real quick. Alright. Now we're going to take our next one, and here's the next one. I'm going to plug it in down here again, if I can find the right spot. And yet again, I'm going to have to sit the camera down. Ugh. I'm going to sit it down right here. I'm sorry. I know. This probably isn't the best view, but it's going to have to do for a minute. As this video is not on ribbon cables. Also, guys, while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you, please subscribe to my channel. I want to see how many people we can get. I want to know who else is out there. And please let me know. You can leave a message if you have a channel on computers. I especially like boot races. If you've got one, let me know. I'll subscribe to it. And let me just plug this in real quick. There. Oh, come on. There. Okay, there we go. Get the camera up again. And that is that. You would screw it back in, but I'm not going to do that today because we're out of time. Tune in next time, guys, and we'll see what else we can do. dwblank out.